Hello my babies, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. So today's video is going to be a nail set using Nail Addict. They did rebrand their name to Nail Reserve LA, and I will leave all their social media links in the description down below. And they was kind enough to send over these beautiful gel polishes for me to try out and to review. Okay, these polishes are vegan, cruelty-free, and non-free gel, and it's a non-free gel polish. So yeah, these polishes are very beautiful. They come in a 15 ml bottle. They are soak-off gel polishes, and it's very thick. And when I did do my set, I loved it. I still have the set on today, and yeah, so I will go ahead and show you the polishes, and I will be back. Okay, so which ones were your favorite? Mine's, all of them was beautiful, but my favorite one so far was the blue one. The blue one was really pretty, but this polish right here that I'm using is called Odd Encounter, and as you can see on my right hand, I do have the design on my nails, and I will be doing a watch me work on my other hand. So yeah, so right now we're going to be doing the swatches, and I will be back once the swatches are over. I do have a discount code with Nail Reserve LA, and I will leave all my discount codes and links in the description box down below. So if you are interested in purchasing any of these beautiful gel polishes, you do get 50% off, but you have to buy a minimum of 2 products to get the 50% off. So like I said, I will leave my link and my discount code, not my link, I will leave my discount code in the link in the oh my goodness, I cannot talk. I will leave my discount code in the description box down below, along with other links and discount codes and everything. So here I am getting ready to do my application. So here you see I am going to be pushing back my cuticles. Right here you see I am filing my nails because they look a hot mess right now, so I'm just filing them to look a little bit decent before I apply the full cover tips. And yeah, right here, as you can see, I am using a fine sanding band to take off the shine on my nail bed, and I have the speed really low. I am using the Makartt JD700 nail file or nail drill, and like I said, I am using it at a very low speed because I do not want to damage my nail plate, and I am taking off the shine off my nail bed. you see, I am getting ready to prep. I am using JC Beauty Concepts dehydrator and bonder or primer. Primer, I do apply two coats. I apply the first coat so you guys can see, and I will apply my second coat off camera. Okay, so I do have my nails picked out. I do have them sized and picked out. These are the products that I would be using. I am using Mia Secret Clear to adhere the full cover nail tips, and these tips, these are ballerina, as you can see, and I believe I got these off of Amazon. I think I got them off Amazon. And I love these full cover tips. They're very strong and sturdy. I still have this set on as I'm doing this voiceover. It has been maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks. It could be 2 weeks or a week, but like I say, I do still have the set on. And you will see I will be applying the acrylic to my nail bed first, and then I will apply the acrylic to the nail tip, and I will adhere from there. And yeah, so I will be back once I go to the next step. Okay, as you saw in the last clip, I did hold the nail down so it can dry to my nail bed, and I did clean up the spillage that was on my cuticle and around the cuticles. And yeah, so if you guys are still watching, thank you so much for staying with me and continue to watch the video. And yeah, so I will go ahead and let you continue to watch, and I will be back. So as you can see, I do have all my fingers done. Don't they look so gorgeous? So I am going to go ahead and file, shape, and buff. They don't need to be shaped too much because they're already shaped. So I'm just kind of cleaning up, just a little bit to make it, just sharpening up the edges. And yeah, so thank you for staying with me this long. If you're still watching, if you're still here with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Tell all your friends to come and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys are enjoying this video. And yeah, so in the next few clips, I will just be doing the nail art and cleaning up everything. And like I said, I will have all the links to Nail Addict, well actually Nail Reserve. Thank you so much, Nail Reserve, for sending me these beautiful nail polish, and I really love the nail polish. The polish, it goes on so smooth. I do one coat on camera, and I do the second coat off camera, and I do cure it for 60 seconds, and I do use the no white top coat. And yeah, so and I love it. I love it. Is the product is very is awesome. So if you're interested in purchasing these products, they have some beautiful gel polishes on their website. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you once again, and I hope to see you in my next upload. Until then, toodles.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, live. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your magics and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. In the beginning I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, live. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game, and if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. And you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, life. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. In the beginning, I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, But you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game, and if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't